is what we're gonna do, right? Just so you got it in your head, alright? We're gonna go this way, at the end of this road, make a right, take it all the way down, past that first right, and it's gonna be at the last, we're gonna make another right.
I don't follow you.
Okay. Because we're gonna come back through that loop that we just did.
Just don't go too fast. Alright. Oh my god!
Sharp turning.
What?
I got that sharp turning.
Yeah, my car don't got that sharp turn in.
Really, all I'm doing is just slowing down, letting go of the gas, and just cranking it.
That's what you know what it is?
Huh.
My engine's in the front. So when I turn the wheel, I'm fucked. I have to fight the weight of the I get more slip than you do. You drive a little faster, come on, bro.
Bro, these turns are scary. I'm doing 90 right now. You bugging. This right here. And then this. Oh shit, I fucked up. It's too late. It's too late. I'm gone. I'm gone.
I'm not following you up the road.
I wouldn't recommend it. I forgot that was dirt. Hold on, let me flip, wait. Alright, you know, I guess I'll just commit to it. I'm committed. I'll meet you over there. Oh, fucking hate that. You fucking bitch ass NPC. Did I just fucking pass you?
Oh, did you?
Oh, you went the other way.
I don't know. I just went on a cruise.
I'm just trying to catch up. the tree that you hit just fell over. Oh, you gone. Oh, there you go.
Used to pay my rent off a £1/4. Now you check my wrists and it's water now. Water down. Water down.
Oh, the desperation.
Water down. Used to pay my rent off a £1/4. Now you check my bitch and she's water down. Water down. Water down. Water down. I Puerto Rican mommy, she called me papito. If you double cross your abuelito. We are not the same, we're different people. If you do the math, you see that we not equals. Two sticks in my lap, look like equals. Me and Prezi on the track, he look like
Oh, shit.
money running fast, just like Barlow. Now they got me in my bag, but it's filled with hollows. I've been
Fucking.
mad, but I never count no follows. You ain't never flipped a quarter P and tipped your landlord. I'm just trying to fix my presidents like it's a
Oh
scandal.
my god, that is
Bitch like Harry Watson,
something else.
she a scandal. Swear I cut your shit off if I see you with your hand out. Self-made like Ricky Rose, we don't want no handouts. Even as a youngin' told my teacher, fuck your handouts. I'm just trying to live to see my niggas in that penthouse. Used to
On a
pay my
roller coaster ride.
£1/4. Now you check my wrists and it's water now. Water down. Water down. Water down. Water down. Used to pay my rent off a £1/4. Now you check my bitch.
Oh my
she's
God.
water down.
Okay. Let me stop trying to fucking catch up and just drive to you.
The end of the road, buckle right. Actually, no, buckle left.
Bacalao.
Yeah. At the end of the road, bacalao.
Bacalao. There he is. See what happens when you stop desperation driving?
Right.
Oh shit.
Damn it.
How that rock taste. Look like it tastes good.
Minerals.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do something scary.
Drive. You just disappeared on my screen.
Around. Horrible route. No, you're gonna look good. You're gonna look good on tape though. I didn't crash once. What do you wanna head through the hills?
Those hills? No.
Yeah, bro.
That's not my drive.
Oh, damn it. Leaving surprises. You didn't do it this time.
I've been practicing.
I had to drift around that. Oh, too much sauce.
Oh,